Welcome to our channel where we make gaming tools easy and accessible to everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to log into your PlaytestCloud account quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're a developer eager to test your game or a tester ready to explore new projects, getting into your account smoothly is the first step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official PlaytestCloud website. Once there, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it, and you will be directed to the Login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your PlaytestCloud account. Make sure it's the email you signed up with to avoid any access issues. Next, type in your secure password carefully. If it's your first time logging in or you've forgotten your password, you'll find a Forgot Password link below the password field. Click on it to receive instructions to reset your password via email. After filling in your credentials, double-check for any typos before hitting the Login button. If your login information is correct, you will be taken to your PlaytestCloud dashboard where you can manage your playtests, view feedback, and track your test results. If you encounter any problems logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable and try refreshing the page. For persistent issues, contacting PlaytestCloud support will get you the help you need. Remember, a secure password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols enhances your account safety. That's all it takes to log in and start using PlaytestCloud. We hope this guide makes your gaming, playtesting journey seamless from the start. Don't forget at the end of your session to log out, especially if you're on a shared computer, to keep your account secure.